गोयच्या मॅरिटाईम कम्युनिटीन फुडाकार घेवन आपल्या फायद्या खातीर सागरमाला प्रकल्प आपणावपाची गरज आसा। सागरमाला प्रकल्पा खाला जहाज येरादारी मंत्रालय दर्यादेगेवेली जहाज येरादारी आनी भितरल्या उदका मार्गाची येरादारी सुदारपाचेर लक्ष केंद्रीत करता, जे पर्यावरणाक अनुकूल आसा अशें नव्यान स्थापन जाल्ल्या गोवा मॅरिटाईम ऑफिसर्स असोसिएशनाच्या वांगड्यांनी सांगले।
We have the Master Mariners Group and the Engineers Group, both consisting of numerous active members who have been actively engaged in their respective fields. With the inception of the Goa Maritime Officers Association, or as we call it, the GMOA, driven by a motto to guide, support and excel, our primary aim is to bridge this gap and bring together all maritime officers to promote and develop the maritime and allied industry and to further enhance the knowledge without any political, religious, caste creed discrimination bias. Our objective is clear: to establish a cohesive platform where the officers from different ranks and disciplines can converge to share their wealth of knowledge and diverse experiences. GMOA's vision is to foster unity among our members. Despite of the presence of competent maritime officers in Goa, there exists no formally recognized organization. This was a long-standing goal and finally it's become a reality. With formation of GMOA, we are committed not only showcasing our capabilities but also working diligently for the advancement of society, the growth of individuals and betterment of Goa as a whole.
Also, we as a marine engineers and deck officers can contribute immensely because we have a lot of talent pool in Goa which is gone unnoticed. So this is where we will be promoting the talent pool and hopefully we'll be able to help our Goa grow in the maritime sector because Goans are sailing for many years and the name of Goa is kept very high because of the capabilities of Goan maritime officers. We consider our Goa maritime officers as second to none. That means we are as good as the top in the world, and in fact we are the best in the world and in the country as well.